is a way of taking Western foods and just leveling them up, and roast beef is no exception. They make a version of this dish that is super tender, sliced super thin, and doused in a red wine-based sauce that tastes like dope. Although I've never tried dope, so maybe I'm not the best judge. Today, I wanted to make Japanese roast beef for the first time and also use my pressure cooker. The concept is simple, but I'm sure I can F it up too. Start with frying garlic and rosemary to flavor the oil. Then we sear the beef on all sides in the flavored oil. Remove the meat and then add in sliced onions and stir fry until translucent. Add back in the meat and the herbs, and you're done. A little bit of water, and then just pressure cook it for 4 minutes. Then we let the meat rest for 20 minutes. I'll set it aside to cool for a few hours in aluminum foil. A few hours later. Now we make the sauce from the onions soaked in the umami of the beef. I'm definitely a red wine girl.
Oh, that smells so good. I love balsamic vinegar and red wine sauces, so I think this is gonna be good. Moment of truth. Is it tender and juicy like roast beef should be? It is. This is what it looks like after simmering for about, I would say 20 minutes. So trust me, if you don't do this, it's going to taste very acidic and wine-like. So don't skip this step. Make sure you simmer it down until it's thick and has a nice little glaze. Ah, so good. Okay, before the husband gets home, let's do a little bit of a taste test. Do it with the less nice looking bits. Wow. I'm not sure if I can even wait for dinner. All right, this is absolutely me trying to justify an expensive purchase, but come here, look at this. What you see here, or what do you see here, actually? May I ask? You are correct. It is the old AirPods Pro, but with no case, because I don't know why. I used this for like over 5 years and it was excellent, but then the other day I went on a picnic, and for the first time in my entire life, and I'm a person who I don't even drop my phone, okay? I'm like one of those people. Like, I don't understand why people lose things or drop things, but I lost my AirPods case, which means guys, what do you see here? Is it a coincidence or is it fate?
All I wanted is something I can wear on the go when running that has noise cancellation, and it's new, yet it's on sale. I think it only launched like, what, 2 months ago? So, obviously, added to cart. My purchases this month have been a little bit wild, so I bought a new rice cooker and now these AirPods, so I'm just gonna have to eat rice and water for the rest of the month just to get by. This feels like such a happy and healthy looking kale. Obviously the most critical step. Generous amounts of parm.